camping chairs are one of our most valued gear, mainly because of their many uses. They're not just for lounging by the fire at camp. You can haul them down by the stream, dip your toes in the water, and set them up by the playground while the kids run laps. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best camping chairs. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Coleman Camping Chair. The Coleman camping chair built into the armrest holds up to 4 cans and provides easy access to a cold drink once the one in your mesh cup holder is empty. While you sip your favorite beverage, the fully cushioned seat and back only adds to your relaxation. At 24 inches wide, it provides a roomier seat than the smaller backpacking options. It also has a taller seat height and a more upright back, which makes getting in and out easier. The handy built-in cooler is insulated to keep your beverages or snacks chilled and can fit up to 4 8-ounce cans. A carry bag is included, but you wouldn't want to haul this for long distances, and the steel frame can rust if left out in the rain. But this portable chair is a solid option for hanging in the backyard, sitting on the sidelines, or car camping. Number 6. Amazon Basics XL Folding Padded Camping Chair. The Amazon Basics XL Folding Padded Camping Chair is simple but unique due to its insulated cooler pocket that keeps up to 3 beverages conveniently close at hand. It also has a single cup holder and a large pocket to hold a book, phone, or other small items. This chair comes in 3 style options, including a padded XL version that will comfortably accommodate a variety of body shapes. While the 2 padded models are generally a bit more comfortable, quick drying makes the mesh version more breathable. It provides comfortable seating for campsites, the beach, sporting events, concerts, and outdoor adventures. This outdoor chair's heavy-duty steel frame provides rugged strength with collapsible, portable convenience that fits in the car or over your shoulder. It has an extra oversized padded camping chair with a lightly cushioned seat and back for comfort, versatile black color. Number 5. GCI Outdoor KickBack Rocker Chair. The GCI Outdoor KickBack Rocker Chair delivers comfort and gentle rocking in a stable and easy-to-pack package. A full lineup of camping chairs around the fire is among the first chairs to be sat in. At nearly 11 pounds, it's undoubtedly not ultralight, but it's not unmanageable either. We especially like how easy it is to set up. Fold it open, and you're ready to relax. And despite the rocker design, the chair isn't difficult to get up and out of or sit on. However, the overall frame is slightly lower than the ground, so taller users might notice they need to lean back for the chair's support. Comfortable and sturdy, the steel frame is powder-coated for longevity in the elements, and the ripstop polyester material is fair for casual use. The cup holder and phone holder pockets keep essentials at hand, and the included carrying case makes it easy to haul when slung over your shoulder. Number 4. Kelty Low Love Seat Camping Chair. The Kelty Low Love Seat Camping Chair is strong enough for 2 people and can easily handle 400 pounds. And the quilted fabric is pliable, which is excellent for numerous folks sharing the same seat. The seat is slightly reclined for comfort, and the shorter height of the low love seat allowed for a more relaxed lounge. But tall couples may prefer the standard love seat, which is a few inches taller off the ground. Those with a few members of the family or dogs might want to check out the even lengthier low-down couch. The armrest cup holders have a divider to fit both larger and smaller bottles. The carrying bag clips around the chair and has a comfortable carrying strap. Its quality materials and thoughtful Kelty craftsmanship will keep your buns and back warm on cool nights for years to come. In addition, it has a sturdy and durable steel frame, making this chair an outdoor chilling staple. Number 3. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Chair. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Chair has a heavy, rigid frame. And with super sturdy, tough feet, this chair is unlikely to topple over. There are 2 hanging pockets off each armrest, and the uppermost section on the backside of the chair has a full-width hanging mesh pocket for various stashes. It has an extra-wide 24 inches seat-high backrest side pocket cooler powder-coated steel frame and cushioned. With an adjustable fit, the angles of the arms can be tinkered with via 2 buckles. A powder-coated steel frame and 600 denier polyester fabric make the chair stout against wear and tear. It's one of the most supportive, stiff options out there, which is great if your back is achy or for folks who prefer an upright brace. The King Kong chair back is also relatively high, and we appreciate that extra backing when we're tired, plus the seat is deep, reinforcing our hamstrings. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Rocker Camping Chair. The GCI Outdoor Rocker Camping Chair for outside quickly and easily folds flat for simple storage and transportation. It is equipped with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame. This outdoor folding chair supports up to 250 pounds and includes padded armrests, a mesh backrest, and beverage holder. It is also patented spring-action rocking technology allows this outdoor folding chair to rock on most outdoor surfaces. This folding rocking chair for outside makes a great rocking camping chair, rocking sports chair, or rocking lawn chair. This rocking camp chair for adults opens and closes smoothly via patented Easy Fold technology. This folding camping chair for adults also features a convenient carry handle. This folding lawn chair for adults measures 24 by 25 by 34.8 inches when open with a seat height of 19.7 and folds to 24 by 4.9 by 34.8 inches, 12.1 pounds, limited lifetime warranty. Number 1. Timber Ridge Lightweight Camping Chair. The Timber Ridge Lightweight Camping Chair is a must-have for anyone who enjoys the great outdoors. With a foldable design, integrated handle, and a full range of features, it's the perfect choice for camping, picnics, or any other outdoor activity. This chair features a full backrest, padded armrests, and a flip-down side table to keep your snacks, drinks, and essentials within easy reach. Plus, with an attached cooler bag, cup holders, and a mesh pocket for your phone, you'll stay organized and comfortable throughout your outdoor adventure. It is constructed with a tough 25mm powder-coated steel frame and 600D shadow embossed and 840D Velocity Dobby polyester, providing superior durability and sturdiness. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it can withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. It is also designed to be as portable as possible, with a compact size of 20.87 inches by 6.69 inches by 34.25 inches when folded flat and 20.87 inches by 13.78 inches by 35.43 inches when fully assembled. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.